This is an unlimited internet connection for those people who live in an RV, trailer, or motorhome, or just live in a rural area and you struggle to find a good Wi-Fi solution, then this could be your solution. All right, I swear to God, this was not planned. But in the middle of filming a video about a wireless router that anybody can use for their Wi-Fi, our home internet just went out because a big storm just came through the area and knocked out our home Wi-Fi. So for the next 2 days, this right here is actually going to be our home internet solution. So this is probably the best tech review I can possibly give for you. My name is Eric, and for an entire year, I lived in a small teardrop trailer as I traveled around the entire country. One of the problems I constantly had while I was traveling around the country was finding a good, reliable, unlimited internet connection that I could use while I was on the road. I constantly was finding myself going into libraries or coffee shops or restaurants or any place that had a public Wi-Fi connection because I needed strong internet that I could use to upload, say, my YouTube videos or something. Now, my personal cell phone plan on my carrier does have an unlimited plan for my cell phone only. But as soon as I turned on mobile hotspot for my phone and tried to connect to something like my laptop here, well, that was not an unlimited plan. So whenever I turned on mobile hotspot for my computer to say maybe watch Netflix or upload a YouTube video, well, I would go through that data really quickly. Most cell phone plans are going to have a capped data plan as soon as you turn on your mobile hotspot. That's why I was so happy when Unlimitedville reached out to me and sent me this demo unit so I could try it out. So this is it. This is the router. Very compact, very small, very lightweight, draws very little power. This personally would be perfect for me traveling in a small setup. You can connect it directly to a Jack 3 or any kind of portable power solution, and you'd be good to go. To get set up, all you have to do is take your router, take these 6 antennas, plug them right to it. YouTube magic. But before you get the box in the mail, connect your phone and start streaming Netflix, you're going to head over to Unlimitedville.com and you're going to choose one of the 2 plans they have. They have a light plan and an unlimited plan. The light plan offers you unlimited LTE connection up to 400 gigabytes for the month, and then anything you use going over 400 gigabytes for the month gets throttled. The unlimited plan is a true unlimited 4G LTE connection. If you're looking to stream Netflix every day or any kind of streaming video, then I would look at the unlimited plan as a better option. A light plan is perfect for those users who are going to stream a little bit but don't need to do it every single day. Or someone like me who has a YouTube channel who needs to upload video on a pretty regular basis, then I would say that the unlimited plan is still going to be a better option for someone like me. The unlimited plans vary by price by carrier. The T-Mobile plan is going to run you $150 per month, while the AT&T plan is $180 per month, and the Verizon plan is $200 per month. I know that sounds really expensive, but this is for a completely unlimited mobile hotspot plan. It's a little different from your cell phone plan. And I sold cell phones for all the major carriers for years. And trust me, that is normal pricing for a mobile hotspot. And when you look at a mobile hotspot plan for your cell phone, trust me, they're almost always capped. You're going to need a dedicated hotspot box in order to receive that true unlimited experience. If you travel extensively in an RV or trailer or a motorhome and you're not constantly connected to a power source and you're constantly relying on an off-grid solution like a generator or a portable power bank or something, then you know the question of how much power does something use always comes up. I wish I had a portable power bank like a Jack 3 or a Goal Zero or something to test this out on and see how many watts it pulls for the day. But unfortunately, I don't own one of those, so I can't tell you. But it doesn't seem like it would use a whole lot. The power bank is only that big, and it says it only uses 1.5 amps, so I don't think it would use a whole lot of power. All right, I actually really do like this product, and I'll tell you why. I've already mentioned a few times, just its size. It's so compact and easy to travel with. When you look at some of the other Nomad internet solutions out there, like Starlink, I know Starlink is the one that everyone talks about. It's kind of like the Yeti coolers of Nomad internet solutions right now. But when you look at the Starlink, it's a big device. I personally can never use a Starlink because of its size. And it is $600 for the hardware on a Starlink to get started. This box is only $99. So you're spending literally 6 times more to get started on a Starlink as compared to something like this. Now, obviously Starlink has a major advantage of being satellite driven versus cell phone driven. You can run out of range on cell phone coverage. As long as you have a clear connection to the sky, then Starlink will be a great solution for you. The problem are trees. If you park your RV anywhere where there's shade, then you're not going to be able to use Starlink whatsoever. It needs to have a clear shot of the sky in order for it to work. Also, another big reason why I would personally choose this over some of the other options out there is because Unlimitedville offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. So basically, it's free to try. You have 2 weeks to see if it works for you, and if it doesn't, send it back and get all your money back. No matter which plan you go with, when you go to checkout, make sure you type in Escape Travel in your code box. The product prices remain exactly the same for you, but it does help out with supporting me and the channel, so I really appreciate it. All the plans are 4G LTE. Unlimitedville currently does not offer any 5G solutions. But actually, if you're just using it for Netflix streaming and for browsing the web and checking email and things, 4G is fine. I've uploaded videos on YouTube over 4G and it's never been a problem for me. All right, hopefully that helps you out when you're looking to travel a lot and you're looking for any kind of wireless internet mobile hotspot solution that's unlimited. Like I said, a lot of people are going to look at Starlink, and it is a great option, but for me, it's not great. The size of the hardware is way too expensive to get started. It's way too big to carry. And honestly, the plans are not always unlimited. I think they just upped their pricing plans. So that's why I'm personally interested in this. Like I said, the size of the product really interests me a lot. And honestly, the pricing is the same as if you were to go with pretty much anything else out there that offers unlimited mobile hotspot. Thanks for escaping normal life with me.